So now I will talk about difference between alive, life, live. The word live has two pronunciations. The word live, live, with the I sound in sit means to reside. I live in a small house. She lives in France. The adjective live with the I sound is like, has a few different meanings. When music or a TV broadcast is happening in real time, it was not previously recorded. There is live music at the bar on Friday nights. We are bringing you the latest news live from Washington DC. When an animal is alive, not dead, he found a live snake in this tent, in his tent. The word life is also pronounced with the I in like and is a noun. I am reading a book about the life of Albert Einstein. Do you think there is life on other planets? He has faced many difficulties in his life. The plural of life is lives. My parents are planning to live in Florida for the rest of their lives. Thousands of lives were lost in the war. The word alive is an adjective and it also means not dead. It's amazing. He was still alive after being in the desert without water for 4 days. The oldest person alive is currently 124 years old. Is it?